Make in India is an ambitious initiative launched by the Government of India in September 2014 with the objective of transforming the country into a global manufacturing hub. It aims to boost domestic manufacturing, attract foreign direct investment, create job opportunities, and foster economic growth. The initiative seeks to position India as a reliable and competitive destination for investment and to encourage both multinational corporations and domestic companies to set up manufacturing units in the country. One of the key objectives of Make in India is to increase the share of manufacturing in India's GDP. The initiative focuses on 25 sectors, including automobiles, textiles, chemicals, defense, electronics, and renewable energy, among others. By promoting these sectors, the government aims to enhance domestic production, reduce dependency on imports, and generate employment opportunities for the growing population. To facilitate ease of doing business, the government has taken several measures such as simplifying regulatory processes, liberalizing FDI norms, and providing various incentives to attract investments. These include tax benefits, subsidies, infrastructure development, and special economic zones. The initiative also emphasizes the importance of skill development and entrepreneurship to enhance the competitiveness of the manufacturing sector. Make in India has yielded significant results since its inception. It has helped India climb up the ranks in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index, attracting considerable FDI inflows. The country has witnessed a surge in manufacturing activity, with several multinational companies setting up production units and expanding their operations in India. This has contributed to job creation and skill development, particularly in sectors such as automotive manufacturing, electronics, and textiles. The initiative has also led to a boost in innovation and research and development activities. To promote innovation, the government has launched schemes such as the Atal Innovation Mission and Startup India. These initiatives provide support and funding to startups and encourage collaboration between industry and academia. The focus on R&D and innovation has helped India move up in global innovation rankings. Make in India has also encouraged the growth of small and medium-sized enterprises by providing them with a conducive business environment. The government has implemented measures to ease access to finance, improve infrastructure, and enhance market access for SMEs. This has empowered these enterprises to contribute significantly to manufacturing output, employment generation, and exports. Furthermore, the initiative has highlighted India's potential as a global manufacturing destination and has strengthened diplomatic and trade relations with various countries. Several international partnerships and collaborations have been established to promote investments and technological exchanges. Make in India has played a crucial role in attracting global attention and positioning India as a key player in the global supply chain. While Make in India has achieved notable successes, it also faces challenges and areas that require further attention. These include improving infrastructure, addressing skill gaps, ensuring ease of doing business at the grassroots level, and streamlining regulations. Continued efforts are needed to sustain and expand the momentum of the initiative. In conclusion, Make in India is a transformative initiative that aims to drive manufacturing-led economic growth in India. It has helped attract investments, boost manufacturing activity, create jobs, and promote innovation. By focusing on key sectors, improving the business environment, and fostering partnerships, Make in India has positioned India as an attractive destination for global manufacturers. With sustained efforts and effective implementation, the initiative has the potential to further accelerate India's economic development and establish the country as a manufacturing powerhouse.